Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us. So you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashajarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 27% retail traders have taken short position and 72% retail traders have taken long position. See, it means that 72% retail traders are on the buy side. And if you look at the buy position, then you'll see they have taken buy position at 1807 level. So 72% retail traders are in loss right now. Okay, so let's find out what does the chart says. So this is the chart of gold USD and you can see that I have got many levels here. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that I prefer to keep my chart clean, but in the case of gold USD I'm helpless. Okay, so at first let's try to understand the chart of DXY here first, because DXY, understanding the chart of DXY is also very essential. So right now you can see that there is not much heavy movement on the chart of DXY. The last traded price is 96.05. Overall, if you look at the chart here, then we can see market is an uptrend, no doubt about it, but the present trend of DXY is sideways. 96 90 this one is 95.80 to 95.50 is this level is acting as a strong support for DXY. Plus we also have the additional support from the Fibonacci retracement level. So therefore for DXY, 95.80 to 95.50 is acting as a very strong support, and on the top we have this trend line acting as a strong resistance for the market. You can see whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing selling pressure from the trend line. So this trend line is a valid resistance. Okay, so before reaching this particular level or before a DXY tries to fly, okay, it will have to cross this trend line. Okay, and at the bottom we have 95.80 to 50 is acting as a strong support. Clear? So this is the overall structure of DXY. Keep in mind the present trend is sideways, but the overall structure of DXY is still towards the upside. Okay, so unless market breaks the level of 95.50 or this particular support zone, we will not consider that the trend of DXY has changed. Clear? Now let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of gold. First of all, CPI. CPI came out yesterday and the inflation has hit the level of 6.8. Yes, 6.8, and it is highest since 1982 level, and it is quite a cause of concern. Generally we see whenever inflation goes up, the gold also goes up. Okay, but yesterday gold failed. Okay, gold was trying to go up, but gold failed to cross this resistance zone here. Okay, so overall the setup has still remained the same here. Okay, so listen to me carefully, things are about to get complicated. Okay, so first of all, gold closed at 1782 level. This is the closing price. Okay, if you look at the chart of gold here, then you can see that chart is kind of messed up here. This is not a clean chart, not a simple chart. So beginners, new traders, if possible, try to avoid gold for quite a few days, because this chart is kind of complicated. Okay, if I just zoom in, then you can see the chart looks like a sideways market. Okay, first point, it looks like a sideways market, but we can also draw a downward channel here. Getting my point? This is a downward channel here. This trend line is acting as a resistance for the market, whereas this trend line is acting as a support for the market. So it looks like a sideways market, but it is trading in a downward channel here. Or in simple words, whenever gold is trying to go up, it is unable to cross the previous high, which is not a good sign. Okay, so therefore if gold tries to go up again, okay, if gold tries to go up again, the first resistance will be this trend line, and this will be our or your first trading opportunity. Okay, and this is also a zone for the market, resistance zone for the market. So yes, you can take a sell position if you find gold reversing from the trend line. And on the other hand, if it breaks the trend line also, there is a good possibility of market reversing from 1790 level, and 1790 is your second trading opportunity. Okay, so 1790 is your second trading opportunity. In case there is a good buying, or in case there is a heavy buying, bullishness in the market, okay, and if you find gold crossing the level of 1790, okay, if you find gold crossing the level of 1790, then you can take a buy position. But as this level has been acting as a strong resistance for the market, so wait for some time, wait for proper confirmation. If you find that gold has really got the support of the buyers, if it is crossing the level of 1790 well, with good green candle, fat green candle, then take a buy position. Okay, and that is your third trading opportunity. Okay, and on the other hand, if it comes down, to the level of 1765, yes, 1765, this level, and if it bounces, you can take a buy position. This is your fourth trading opportunity. In case 1765 fails to provide support to the market, market will go down, and the next support will be at 1761 or 62 level, this, and that is your fifth trading opportunity. So many opportunities, but still the chart is not, because the chart is critical. Okay. So 1761 to 62 will be the next support. In case 1761 to 1761 fails to provide support to the market, as the market is in downward channel, the next trading opportunity or the next buying opportunity will be available at 1750 level. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me repeat again. Okay, if market goes up and reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position. In case market breaks the trend line, still do not buy, because this is a resistance zone. Okay, so wait for the market to hit the 1790 level. If market reverses from the 1790 level, that will be your second trading opportunity. In case market breaks the 1790 level, if you see good bullishness in the market, you can take a buy position at 1791, 92, and that is your second trading opportunity. Sorry, third trading opportunity. Clear? In case market comes down, to the level of 1765, okay, 1765, you can take a buy if market bounces. If market breaks the level of 1765 and then comes down to the 1761, that can be also a buying position. But if 1761 also fails to provide support to the market, then 1750 is the last support for the market for Monday. Ultimate support is available at 1728 to 1717. That's a different chapter. I don't think so market will be testing this level on Monday. Okay, but if market breaks the level of 1780, then also you can take a sell position, but that will be a bit risky, so be careful. And if you're a gold scalper, if you are a scalper, then what you can do is that there is a minor support at 1770 level. Yes, we have a minor support at 1770 level. If gold bounces from here, you can take a buy position. Okay, this can be, or this also can be a good buying opportunity. But keep in mind that gold is very volatile and extremely risky, so therefore please follow proper risk management, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. For my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your hard-earned money. It's your duty to protect your capital, so do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Clear? So these are the trading opportunities for Monday. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you want to be a part of it, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the necessary details. Okay. Apart from providing signals, I also do many things. For example, I have a class today. Each and every Saturday I conduct a class where I share many things. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you on Monday again. I'm finally back.